everyone, I hope you're okay. So today I thought I would sit down and do a kind of get ready with me makeup video. I was feeling in the mood to film and I've got quite a few new products that I wanted to try, so I thought I could kind of do like a first impressions video, all in one, that kind of thing. And yeah, I wanted to kind of recreate quite a bronze, glowy, summery look. Probably like everyone on the planet, I am obsessed with this kind of makeup look right now. It's that kind of time of year, so it's not really very surprising, but I have a few new bits that I really wanted to try. And yeah, I thought we could kind of just have a chat as I do it. And yeah, that is about the gist of things. So I'm just going to tie my hair up. Also, I'm really, like, my face and body do not match whatsoever, but hopefully we'll sort that out in a minute. And apologies if I do look orange, you know, it is what it is. Okay, so first things first, I need to pop on some moisturiser. And recently I have been using the Glossier Primer Moisturiser, just as like a moisturiser and base. It's really nice. It's basically just a moisturising primer, nothing too interesting, but it is a nice base under your makeup. Even though I am now off Roaccutane, there is a video coming, I promise, talking all about my Roaccutane treatment, before and after pictures and all that kind of stuff. My skin does go like really red. I feel like a lot of the symptoms have died down. Like, I don't need to apply lip balm every 20 minutes, which is amazing. But there's also still a few symptoms that are sticking around, and the redness is still a little bit there, but I'm guessing it will take a little while to kind of go down. Okay, so base wise, I really want to make this as glowy as possible. I've been obsessed with like Lucy Watson and Louise Thompson on Instagram, and they are like very bronzed and glowy, and they posted some pictures over the weekend and I was like, I want to recreate something like that. So that is what we're going to do. I've also got like some new Model's Own illuminator drops, so I was like, let's give them a whirl. Like, let's just do this. Let's try and make, like, I'm going to try and make myself look as glowy as possible. I'm also going to pop on some of the Pixie Glow Mist. This is a moisturising mist, just to kind of spritz my skin. I've just accidentally swallowed some of that. That was not great. Okay, so what am I going to use for foundation? Okay, yeah, I'm going to use a mixture of 3 products. So first of all, I have got the Barry M All Night Long Medium Coverage Foundation. So this is like a stick foundation. And I'm going to pop this on the areas where I need a little bit more coverage. So I've still got a little bit of redness in my cheeks. And I've had a couple of spots come up, like nothing major. So I'm just going to pop this here and a little bit on my chin, a little bit on my nose, and then like here. And then I'm going to pop on some of the IT Cosmetics CC cream. This is probably, it's alright probably because I'm tan and I'm trying to like match my face to my body, but I should have got the light in this foundation, because it is most of the time too dark for me. It's a really nice glowy, dewy foundation though. Well, it's like, it's not really foundation, it's like CC cream. It is very dewy though, so just to kind of be warned. And then I'm going to mix in some of these Model's Own Glow For It Illuminator drops, and this is the shade Lit. So this kind of reminds me of a little bit like the iconic London Illuminator, but it's not as dark. I will try and get that out of my bag in a minute. The iconic London one's a bit more kind of bronzy. I'm just going to buff this in. I did clean my brushes yesterday as well, actually, which is like, I never do. So maybe it was like all good timing. So I'm just going to blend this into my skin. And I do like mixing things up. I feel like, especially now that my skin is a lot clearer, I've been wearing a lot lighter foundations, and it's been so nice. But yeah, I'm really happy with how my skin's looking. Like, I'm able to go out makeup free. Like, it's not perfect, but I don't really think I'll ever have perfect skin, but it is, oh my god, about 1,000,000 times better than what it was before I went on Roaccutane. And yeah, the fact that I can go out without makeup on is a huge thing. I'm just going to pop some more of the Barry M foundation on my cheeks. But yeah, like it's so nice not having to use so much full coverage anymore, like foundation. Okay, so next I'm going to move on to under my eyes, and I'm going to be using a mixture of, again, different products. I'm going to be using the YSL Touche Clap and the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. Put that in. So also apologies if my nails are chipped. I've kind of got a bit of a new mindset about videos at the moment. I used to very much want everything to be perfect when it came to my videos, which is why I kind of stopped posting, because the pressure almost got like too much. And like I wouldn't film if like my nails were chipped or if the background didn't look perfect. The amount of times that I like filmed, edited a video and then were like, no, I'm not uploading it. Like I only did it the other day. Me and Henry filmed a wedding Q&A like before the wedding, and I edited it, literally uploaded it, ready to put it live, and then I was like, no, I'm not doing it, because I felt like we were really miserable in it. And I was like, that looks great, doesn't it? And then the lighting looked terrible. Like, I'm not even joking, I looked like rubbish. And yeah, I was just like, no, I'm not uploading this. So we're gonna refilm like a wedding Q&A this weekend, and it will kind of include stuff about the wedding and everything like that. So like I am still guilty of doing it, but I was just like, do you know what, I want to film today, so I'm just going to do it. And yes, my nails aren't perfect, but when you think about it in real life, not everyone has perfect nails all the time, so why should it be like that on YouTube? I'm just going to pop some of this under my eyes as well. And it's like, I did say I wanted to stop doing makeup videos, but I think that's because I don't want to do beauty videos like all the time. But again, like perfectionism, like everyone is so good at makeup on YouTube. Like everyone's like a makeup artist. And then there's me, who's just a regular girl who just enjoys makeup and likes trying new things. And I just felt like the pressure just gets too much. But I was like, you know, I'm going to film a video today. I'm not amazing at makeup. It's probably not going to be very good. But most of us are like that. Like most girls just enjoy makeup. But, you know, they're not professionals or anything. So yeah, so I'm going to take this new approach of like not everything having to be perfect all the time, because it's not real, and I don't think it's like particularly the best example to be set in, because it's like I've got caught up in that kind of whole perfectionism thing. So I'm just like, no, my nails are chipped and that's fine, because sometimes that happens. So next we're going to move on to eyes, and then I'm going to do the rest of my base later. Okay, so I have been all about like eyeshadow creams at the moment. And let me just sit myself down. And I've been using the Barry M and, oop, dropping it on myself. Barry M and Model's Own ones. I think I featured these in a favourites video not that long ago, if I remember correctly. So yeah, so I'm going to pop on this one. This is called Pillow Talk, and it's the Barry M Crush Jewel eyeshadow. Let me just see if I can zoom you in. Okay, that's as zoomed as we can get. Hopefully you can see. All over my lid, and we're going to go for like just a really bronzy, kind of smoky, you know, very much my usual kind of standard thing. And then I'm going to take, I've got this Model's Own palette, and this is Barely There 2, and it looks like this. It's got some really pretty colours. I'm going to be taking this colour here, can you see that? And this colour here, so they're kind of like the shimmery bronzy shades. I'm going to take this like through my crease. So I've just got this Kiko palette here, less is better, and I'm just literally going to take this dark brown colour and pop this through the crease, so like any dark brown would do, because I'm not sure if they still make that anymore actually. And then I'm going to go in with some more of the like cream shadows. I do feel like I've been trying to be a little bit more adventurous since my skin's cleared up. Like I have been wearing a little less makeup, and I've been getting into like cream products and that kind of thing. So not that adventurous, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to use a mixture of this Model's Own one, which is called Silver. But I'm going to pop this like in the inner corner. And then I'm going to pop another one of the Barry M ones. I don't know if this one was maybe a bit too light. Oh. Okay, I think I'm quite happy with that. I might put on mascara and then see how we are doing. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. Yeah, I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I've been using a mixture of 2 mascaras. I'm going to see how we're looking. I might apply some false lashes. I might be content. Okay, so I've been using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then layering the Tanya Burr Cosmetics Selfie Lash mascara over the top, and these two work really well together. I'm going to pop some of this over the top. I'm trying to like get rid of my obsession with like liquid liner. You know, you're just like, I want to try something new, which is really riveting, isn't it? I do sometimes think though I look a bit naked about it. Ta-da! And I'm just going to pop on some black liner. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm quite happy with them for the time being, but we will see a little later. I'm going to do my brows now. I'm just going to use an angled brush and the Anastasia, however you say it, Dip Brow Pomade. So like when I blend it in with a brush, I tend to like blend upwards to make the brow, the hairs kind of stand up, if that makes sense. Anything to avoid making myself look too much like Helga from Hey Arnold. Okay, let's move back to the face. So now the fun begins. We're going to start doing some, I don't know what that was all about. We're going to start doing some highlighting, and this is always my favourite part. So, let's use the drops on top, and then I have this Cheap Day Glaze palette from Model's Own. I've seen a lot of this on their Instagram. I feel like I'm using a lot of Model's Own products, but I've kind of gone through all my samples recently, and I was like, I've got a lot of Model's Own stuff to try, and people's Instagram selfies of these highlighters are literally on point. So I think I'm going to use this over the top, but for the base we're going to be using the Glow for It Illuminator drops, and I'm going to literally pop this on the top of my cheekbone. I'm going to pop a little bit down my nose, not too much, but yeah, like the tops of my cheekbones. I'm going to pop a little bit on my forehead, like, why not? Why not? It's summer. And then I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush. This is like my favourite brush for highlighting. I have no idea why. It's just really good. I'm just going to blend this in. Hopefully make me look like a little bit of a bronze goddess. It is very glowy. It is quite thin, but I still think it gives you quite a nice glow. I'm now going to pop on some bronzer, and then I'm going to powder my face and see how we're doing for highlighting this. So I'm going to be using the Hoola Light by Benefit, popping this all over my face. So now I'm going to go in with the Cheat Day palette, if I can get it open. And I think I'm going to mix these two together. Right, moment of truth. You ready? Ooh, you see that? Ooh, that's quite nice, isn't it? Like, it's quite subtle. Can you see like that on camera? I am definitely enjoying this highlighter. I think that's quite nice actually. Hopefully, I mean in real life I may look like the Tin Man, but underneath the lights it's all looking alright. Quite enjoying that. Okay, so now it's time for lips. Then I'm going to spray, no actually I'll spray first, then do the lips. I think that's probably the best thing. So I'm going to use the Pixie Glow Mist again, just to spray everything. Like that. I do enjoy, I've just swallowed it again. Bloody hell, I don't know what to learn. Right, lips. I feel like this needs to be a gloss with this. I feel like if you put matte, it will just, oh, it just look wrong. So I've got the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss, and I've got Peach Fuzz and Papa Don't Peach. Let's put on Papa Don't Peach. Let's see what he looks like. Ooh. Oh, I think this is too dark, you know. Too dark, I'm afraid. Let's pop on this one, Peach Fuzz. I have a lot of peach fuzz on my face, just a little FYI. Okay, yeah, now we're talking. Oh, what a lovely little gloss. When I was on Roaccutane, because I was literally applying lip balm about 79 times a day, my lips, I felt like they got a bit plumper because I was constantly like putting on lip balm, and I was like, this is brilliant. Then now they've like deflated to their usual self. Remember on one video someone commenting, where's your top lip gone? And I was like, mate, like I can joke about that, but you bloody well can. Like, rude, absolutely rude. Not everyone has got voluptuous lips. I think that looks nice. I don't know why I just spoke like I was a robot. Right, I'm gonna take my hair down. Stop looking like, I don't know, something from Pirates of the Caribbean. I thought I'd go straight with my hair today. You know when you just like, you're feeling a straight hair day. But like, what is this? Literally looks greasy. Yeah, I am liking this look. I am very impressed with all the products that I've used. Big fan of the glow drops. I feel like they're not as in your face as the Iconic London ones. Maybe I'll just do a quick, little swatch for you. So these are the Iconic London ones. I mean, they are, I need to stop swearing, like I shouldn't really swear in videos, so I'm going to try not to, but they're insane. Not that I was a swear word, but you know what I mean. But yeah, they're not as intense and they're not as thick. Like, they are slightly different in colour. Can you see that? So this one here, my manky nail, right? Can you see, is that gonna autofocus? Right. This one here is the Iconic London, and this one here is the Model's Own one. And the Iconic London one is a lot more kind of glowy and it's a bit thicker, whilst the Model's Own one is a bit thinner. But I think it's a nice dupe. I need a wipe. So yeah, so not a fan of my greasy hair though, mind you, but I do think it looks better straight with this kind of look. Maybe I need to straighten it again. Who knows? Yeah, anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Anyway, sorry if it's been a little bit like random and itty bitty, but yeah, there we go. I am gonna go now and take some pictures of this makeup look. Let me know if you have any requests for future videos, because they're really kind of helpful to know. But yes, I'll go now, and hopefully I will see you very soon in my next video.